grade sixes. So today we're going to be looking at the importance of the clan mothers. Please follow along with your notes and make sure that you're writing the bold words in the blank. Clan mothers were the leaders of the clan. The title of clan mother was usually passed on to her female relatives, her sisters, or her daughters. The Great Law of Peace gave the clan mother ownership of the chieftainship title. This means that the clan mother had the responsibility of selecting the chief for their own clan. Clan mothers today have as much importance and respect as they did in the past. In choosing a chief, the clan mother would look for characteristics such as honesty and kind-heartedness, ability to think clearly, knowledge of traditional ceremonies, loyalty to family, ability to uphold the great law, ability to represent the people fairly, and ability to withstand criticism. Thinking it through. So you're going to use page 80 in your textbook to answer the following questions. What do you think these leadership characteristics suggest about the values of the Iroquois society? So these are the characteristics that we just listed on the previous slide. And what do you think that suggests about what the Iroquois found important in their society? And what other characteristics do you consider important in a leader? So what are some things that you think make a good leader? Please make sure you're writing in detail and complete sentences, and then you can submit it when you're done.